Hey YouTubers, welcome to my lifestyle and how-to channel. Well, here it is, guys. This is a project we've been working on for a while because the lack of getting products or ordering stuff in has been an absolute nightmare. So this is the ensuite in my bedroom, and I kind of wanted to show it to you guys. It's been a long time we've been working it. We've been pretty much working on this since March of 2021, and we are in July now. And we ordered in the jet tubs. It's a 6 foot tub, so we ordered in the tub in January. We didn't get it until a few weeks ago, so we started putting it together. We started this a little bit earlier because we thought this wasn't going to take too long. So we got someone working on the downstairs bathroom because we're doing all the bathrooms this year on the house. Ordered this in. We had to get the plumbing done twice because it was done wrong with the exhaust. But we got that taken care of. But this is just a before video. I mean, you just see what the bathroom looked like. Absolute disaster before. It was really old. So I'm kind of excited with this. Apparently this has lights in it, and it has jets. Well, it has jets, we know that, but it has lights. So the electrician threw something up here. So we're going to see what happens with that. Regular lights here. I did put, guys, I don't know if I did a video for my main channel, but you need to put an LED in your shower area. I put that in there, and man, when you shower, it's like you could actually see what the heck is going on because these wall lights just don't do it any, like for me, didn't do it here in this shower area. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on this, on what's happening here. And this bathroom, it needed a lot of work. I mean, most of the drywall was rotted out. We replaced some of the flooring that was rotted out. We got the heater to put back in. So I wanted to update on our lifestyle and how-to channel. Let me know what you guys think of this bathroom so far.